William Optics Zenith Star 73 Doublet Apochromatic Refractor. A wide-field telescope is your best friend when you are entering into the astrophotography world, because finding objects is easier and tracking is much more forgiving. Overall, it is much easier to handle smaller telescope, and it also will cost you less. This Zenith Star 73 has focal length of 430 millimeters, so you can perfectly fit large nebulae and galaxies into your frame. 73mm aperture does a good job of gathering photons. It is nice and light, not a problem for the GTI. It's great value for a telescope of this size. This telescope is lightweight and compact, and it comes with this suitcase, so it is very easy to transport if you are traveling.